Stock Charts Trading. Today we're going to be talking about range boxes. I love range boxes because it tells us where the target is, where good entry ports are. It's support, it's resistance, all in one. The first thing I do when I'm looking for where to place my range boxes, I look for support and resistance. So here we have resistance, and then you can see price broke down. We have resistance, price came down, resistance, price came down. I'm going to start my range box right here. I'm going to come down to this support. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this range box based off of this congestion, this area here, this sideways channel, and voila, I bring it down here, and what are we? We're at support. So we had this huge fall off, and now we're at support, and we're consolidating, showing, improving that this is a good area. So now let's look for something else to confirm. Let's enter into this trade. You know I love my trend line, so here we're going to take from these highs down to these lows. Boom, right into that. Look, we have resistance right here. Next trend line, you can see that we have resistance right here. We have lots of support coming down on this angle. We can take it from these highs back here. Look, more resistance, bring it down, and it bumps right into that angle. And we come down into this support level, which are lows. And here we go, same exact angle, showing us we have a great place to enter this trade. We go from this high, and we take down our 65-degree angle, and we see that prices broke out, but it kept on giving us down candlesticks. So we looked for the green candlestick. We have a hammer right here. We have an engulfing candle right here. We have a doji, again, all at support levels with our trend lines. This all happened because we understood support and resistance, and we saw how trend line support and resistance could confirm our price to where to enter. And now we're in a great trade. And the question is, where do we get out? Where's our target? Well, first thing we'd have to say is back to old support makes new resistance. So we would have a price target all the way up here, which is over 7% increase.